Mona wena wa tshweja wena.
Always.
So ke tla le nna lata ke press.
Yeah.
This is number 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For more breaking news, please visit our website www.number20shopi.com.
Thank you.
This is number 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Magesi 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, Mr. Ngobawayo.
Sharp man, yeah, you're taking the game.
Yeah, let me start by saying congratulations, Mamelodi Sundowns. They deserve to get this kind of cup. Even as a cup of a cup, jealous down on a couple like it's But anyway, I'm talking about Ribeiro. This one is a football player of the season. He is again a top goal scorer of the season. That guy is going to collect maximum or a lot of a prize very
Awards,
soon.
yeah.
Award.
Yeah.
Already award it's too much. Look at 2 goals today.
Yeah.
When I talk about 2 goals today, especially goal against Stellenbosch, when a little player at 11 on the pole. The goalkeeper. So that guy, so it's an incredible one. Goal of the season, again a football of the season, top goal of the season. Incredible work that you have done for Mamelodi Sundowns. Timele Kaufela, even Cardoso, we have to give him a credit. Utlile afika kwa Mamelodi Sundowns high drop. We uplifted. We need such a coach. All Rafa Tokira Merekwata team. I understand that this team very quick. Mamelodi Sundowns, they break a record. An incredible one. Team ever in a history of football. Got 27 games, 72 goals. It's impossible. What they've done, record. It's incredible. Not only the record of scoring goals, but I'm talking about a record 15 times in a row, 8 times in a row. There's a lot to talk about Mamelodi Sundowns. I think I can repeat my word. I think I'm going to repeat my word. According to my opinion, I think God is wearing Mamelodi Sundowns shirt. Sundowns, Mamelodi Sundowns, it's so blessed. It's not only blessed or Betway Premiership. Sundowns flag is also shining continentally. Mamelodi Sundowns is not respected only in South Africa, but in Africa. Very soon they'll be respected continentally. Remember, they're going to play Club World Cup, World One. So it's incredible. Merego Olurwairi wako Mamelodi Sundowns. It's a credit. Team like Mamelodi Sundowns, I can tell you that South Africa, they are doing that in terms of winning the trophy. In terms of building the quality, you need to buy quality. So Mamelodi Sundowns, they are buying quality in terms of receiving the result that they are receiving right now.
Nice one.
For me, I have to also give a credit to Flamingberg. I used to say no, Flamingberg it's killing our football, but what is doing? Ugroma bolo ya South Africa. North Africa, onabia nombanya ko tsa style sa rena sa South Africa. Why ke re so ba ke di player tsa ka tsa di tsamaile mo high more than 6. Di dlala kwa Africa. Ke di coacher tsa ka tsa ba di tsang from ka mo league nya rena. Ba di bitsa kwa bona. Go there's something yo lo re ba boning ka football ya mo rena ya mo high. Believe me.
You are always negative about Sundowns. You're talking nonsense.
Okay. That's why I'm saying that's why I'm saying even going to World Cup, believe me, Bafana is going to do incredible work. Such a kind of players, Mamelodi Sundowns. I saw also Orlando Pirates, they also joined the party. Unfortunately, I just pray for them not to drop after Coach But for me to see competition, credit to Ribeiro. I think Ribeiro, he deserves a lot. Ribeiro, I think I don't know what can I say about that player. Marvelous, he's the best out of the best. So, but for me, I can't say I hate Ribeiro because of the performance. Then I want to be personally. I want to throw a negative things about Mamelodi Sundowns. They are working very hard to get such a result. We need to credit them for doing that. But
for your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngoba2010sharpi.com.